And you wanna give it up to me. Feeling ecstasy. Woo! But would it be a Sophie Chanel video without a hair flip? No. Did y'all see that? Oh no.
Now, is she worth it? Let me work it. Put my thing down, flip it, and reverse it.
Yeah, she is worth it, honey. Hey sunshines, it's your stay-at-home mom, Sophie Chanel, and I am back with another hair review. Yes, I'm back with another hair review. I hope that you all have been having an amazing week, an amazing Black History Month, though it should be 365. But I just wanted to come on and give you guys a really quick video on this style that I achieved right here. And you will see the transitions that I went through to get this style. But before we get into that, you all know the deal. If you are not already a part of the Sunshine Tribe, welcome. If you would do me a huge favor, please go down and hit that subscribe button down below. Make sure you ding that bell so you don't miss any of the post notifications whenever I post new videos. And if you're already a part of the Sunshine Tribe, welcome home. I'm so glad that you're back. All right, you all, so you all know one of my favorite synthetic unit companies is Outre. I got schooled today and learned that it's Outre, because you know before I've said like
Outre, 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 Outre.
I don't know. Outre. So yes, today we're going to get into this twist style, and this is the Xpression Twisted Up Boho Wavy Bomb Twist in 20 inches. And it has 18 strands in each pack. I used 4 packs and 8 strands out of the 5th pack. It claims here that it is 100% Kanekalon. I did make sure that I cleaned my hair before installing. I will link the video above where I show you how I clean my hair. And it also says that it's flame retardant fiber. I had 3 packs of the 2T1B/27. Did I say 3? And 2 packs of the 2T1B/30 of this particular hair. It does have the crochet loop. I will insert snippets of how I did my braid pattern for this particular unit. I was out of town when I did it at a hotel. I did not have all of my equipment with me, but I did manage to get some footage for you guys. But I went in with the illusion crochet method. So it gives you the look as though these were individual twists throughout, but it ain't, you know? So what I did was I made individual plaits all the way across the front, plaited down about halfway, took it over, grabbed it, added it to that one. You'll see. But that's what I did for this unit. I'm gonna go further into detail in the voiceover, but I did want to go through a quick rundown of this hair so you guys get all of the details. So the length of this hair, she's coming just about bra strap length. Let me see if I climb up. Yeah, so about right there. I am 5'5.5" for reference.
And yes, the half counts.
The density of this hair. So each strand of this twist came originally with 2 strands of curly hair. Now, when I had the curly hair installed on this, it was a bit heavy, utilizing about 4.5 packs. Yeah, she can be a bit heavy. So just want to keep that in mind. The more packs you use, the heavier it'll be. So I definitely could have taken some of the strands out, but I didn't. But I did go in and cut the curls out, and that definitely made it a whole lot lighter, and you will see me do some of that in the voiceover. Also, I will say that This hair right now is about 2 weeks old, so you may see some product build up around there. Just ignore it. Just ignore it. It's all good. I wanted to give you guys a video versus no video because I didn't see too many videos on this particular style. So tangling, I didn't get a lot of tangling. I mean, it is curly hair. It's not like the hair you just slide your fingers through. But it was okay. The curly strands are more prone to tangle. I didn't get much shedding. The affordability of this unit, I would say that she's pretty affordable. I got my packs, I want to say I purchased them online. I'm not particularly sure which online retailer I purchased this hair from, but I want to say that it was about $8 a pack, and I got 5 packs. But I have seen this hair at several local beauty supply stores, so you can likely find it there. Is this unit beginner or not unit? I'm so used to doing wig reviews. Is this style beginner friendly? This style could be beginner friendly if you wanted to just do straight cornrows all the way back and crochet this on. Super beginner friendly. If you want to do like the illusion crochet method, I would say it's about moderately beginner friendly. You can plait. I feel like it is kind of beginner friendly. If you don't know how to cornrow, maybe not, but get somebody to cornrow for you, you know? But I think doing the little individual boxes made it, I like that illusion method. Like from a distance, you can't necessarily tell that my plaits are connected. Up close, you can tell, obviously. But from a distance, it looks like your girl got individuals. So I think that this could be great vacation hair. Overall, I like this style once I changed out the curls some, which you'll hear about in the voiceover. Would I recommend this style? I think I would want to try it if I did just straight cornrows to the back without doing the illusion method, because I was really wanting to get this look like this model, and maybe I just would have to be her. I just think she looks so pretty. Yeah, my look didn't come out like this. It wasn't the look that I was going for, but I think it would be cute on somebody else. So yeah, otherwise you guys, that's pretty much it. Let's see how I got into this unit. It's not a unit, it's an install. Crochet install. All right, you guys, that's about it. Let's go ahead and get into this voiceover. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Hey guys, so these are what the packs are looking like. This is the Xpression Outre Twisted Up Boho Wavy Bomb Twist, and this is my braid pattern. As you could tell, I had the illusion method in the front, and then I just joined it to 6, I believe, cornrows in the back. So here I'm just showing you what hair was left out of the 5th pack, and right now I'm just showing you about 4 or 5 of the twists that I'm going to take down to show you what your takedown method would look like. And you would just grab where the loop is near the base of your braid, slide the twist through that loop, pull it through, and remove it. And you would just do this all throughout your head in order to take it down. And now I'm showing you how you would install this once your braid pattern is complete. You slide your crochet hook through, put the loop of your twist on that crochet hook, close it, slide it back through, and pull it taut. And then I'm just going to do this a couple more times so that you could see, and I'll get a little bit up close so you can see how you would do that. It's very, very easy. So again, put your crochet hook through, open the loop on the twist, close, attach it on the hook, close the hook, slide it through, push your twist through that loop, pull it taut. And I did use Shine and Jam, I'm going to show it on the screen, in the purple jar, to slick down my parts. And I did use this Aunt Jackie's buttercream to moisturize my natural hair while I was braiding. And so now I'm just showing you what this braid pattern looks like once the hair is installed from different angles. And y'all know that one thing I love is giving you different styling options. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm just going through and showing you different ways that you can style this hair. And I will have it captioned so that way you can see what the different styles are. I used to attend with the one for me. You get off at 6, you should come vibe. Play your favorite song, singing all of me. I'm just trying to build forever. Ain't no storm we can't weather. When the sun goes down, I'll still be around for you. Here for all of that, yeah, yeah. No, I got you back, yeah, yeah. You my right hand, but I ring the match. On your left hand, you my better half. Lost in your love and I can't get back now. Fight for your heart and I will not back down, yeah. Baby, won't you come with me? I'm just trying to chill. I'm just trying to live with my day one, day one. Tryna spend the rest of my life with the same one, same one. Ain't no INT. I'ma bring you good love, just come with me. Baby, you're all the company I need. Tryna spend the rest of my life with day one, day one. Ain't no INT. I'ma bring you good love, just come with me. Baby, you're all the company I need. Tryna spend the rest of my life with day one, day one. Ain't no INT. I'ma bring you good love, just come with me. Baby, you're all the company I need. Lady, come in, let me tell you something. Lately I've been wondering if you could be mine forever. See you was like God, he must be up to something. Know you tired of running, let's just stay here together. I know your mama told you don't let guys go running off with your love. Hair flip test. So your heart can't get crushed. You've been let down so many times. And I mean, I knew she wasn't going anywhere. It's not like a wig that'll fly off. But I guess the hair flip test in this case is good to make sure none of your braids fly out. You know how you see that one just loose braid in the street? I did not have that problem with this hair. Oh my. You done stressing the night. So what I'm doing now is I'm going through and I'm going to cut out all of those curly pieces that are on each strand. Each strand came with 2 curly pieces. I had already started, so I'm just letting you guys see this process of just cutting out all those curly pieces. And once I did that, like, this hair was not heavy at all. People say forever is a mighty long time. I don't know. So this is with all of the curly pieces removed, with the exception of the end pieces. I did not cut out the pieces that are on the ends of the twist. So one thing that I love to do with all of my crochet installs is to mix different curl patterns. I feel like it gives a more flawless and natural look. So I did go in with this Afri Natural Waterfall hair in the color 1B27. I separated it in that same Miss Jessie's curl cream that I used in the beginning on my natural hair. I did that and I slid that along the crochet hair, the waterfall hair, to kind of get rid of some of the frizz on there and make it not as frizzy looking. And I'm just going ahead and crocheting that just randomly throughout my hair to give it more of a boho look.
You've been so patient. We started off in the basement. Now we up out of space again. Number one is the place we in. It's a meal at the finish line. All my people gon' race to win.
And that's pretty much it. I'm just going to continue adding this throughout, and this is what gave me the look that you saw in the intro. Thank you all so much for watching. If you're interested in more twist or faux lock type videos, let me know in the comments. Till then, I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Like the train, nor my lashes will let me be great. Just let a sister be great. That's all. That's all. If it ain't one thing, it's the other. First the train, then the cars, now the blender. All I wanna do is
Great.
but they won't let.
I just want to be great. I interrupt your viewing pleasure to let you know that you will likely hear lots of audio. Apparently my bathroom is near the back of the house and located where all of the noise is. You may continue your video.